Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to upload file to Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open that page or post where you want to add or upload file, then click on edit, and now simply select that section where you want to add file and click on this pencil icon, and you will get a link option. So click on this gear icon next to link and click on file, and now click on upload file, and now you can easily upload any file from your PC. And now select that file which you want to attach on your website and click on save. So this was how we can upload file on Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.